Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. You hear me? Now, what we got today, you see, we got this orangish reddish box. Got like a transparent Nike sign going all around the box, you know what I'm saying? If you don't know what this is, hang in there. We're going to find out. It's the Air Zoom Generation St. Vincent St. Mary Quick Strike. The colorway is white, metallic, gold, dust. Whatever that is. You know what I'm saying? Now, opening the box, you got some plain white paper. Nothing big about that. Let's get to the kicks, man. Here it is. The Air Zoom Generation St. Vincent St. Mary. Now, this is LeBron James' first signature shoe, but this particular colorway comes from, it pays homage to his high school, St. Vincent St. Mary. Now, these were first spotted earlier this year after a game when he was giving an interview at his locker, and he had these at the top of his locker, you know what I'm saying? So people zoomed in on the picture, whatnot, yada, yada, you know what I'm saying? Everybody was going crazy. So now, here they is. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into it. On the medial side, pretty plain. You know what I'm saying? Ain't too much to really talk about with that. Now, they got a lot of little branding and whatnot on this shoe. You know what I'm saying? You're already familiar with the model. You know what I'm saying? But let's get into the colorways, though. You know what I'm saying? Let's take a look at this print on the toe box. You see it's got like a, I don't know if it's a cement print or elephant print or alligator print, reptile print, something. I don't know what it is. But on the back, you see the chrome finish will flake off with use over time. With the sticker on the back, I suggest you take that sticker off. But anyway, you see the window. You got LeBron on the inside of that. Got the LJ23. I mean, y'all already know what's happening with the shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all familiar with this model, you know what I mean? But anyway, the other shoe is identical to the other one. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no difference between the two. Everything's the same. Colorway, everything. Nothing special about either shoe. You know what I'm saying? Now you see the St. Vincent St. Mary branding on the back. I mean, to me, the shoe is fire. You know what I'm saying? It's low-key clean as a mug. You know what I'm saying? But on the inside, the lining, it got like a velvet. I know it's not velvet, you know what I'm saying? But if you look at it, that's what you would think, you know what I'm saying? But it's some kind of cotton, you know, but it is what it is. On the inside, you got the green insole with LeBron. That's pretty much it, man. You know what I'm saying? I mean, my only problem with this is these gold accents all around the shoe, man. Look like some of them might start to flake off or peel or fade or something, you know what I'm saying? We're going to have to find out as the time goes, you know what I'm saying? But on the toe, you see the gold Nike check. There's a better look at the little pattern along the toes. I mean, it's a dope shoe to me, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling it, man. I'm really feeling it. You know what I'm saying? Plus, I support the king, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, man. You know what I mean? Let me know in the comments, man, what y'all think about the shoe, man. You feeling it? You're not? Oh, yeah, look. On the tongue, you got that same material that I was telling you about on the inside, on the lining of the shoe. You know what I'm saying? So only thing is, on the tongue is white, though. You know what I'm saying? So, anyway, man, look, thing to do is go to the store and check them out, man, when they drop. You know what I'm saying? And you get your feel for them. You know what I mean? I think they're dope, but don't take my word for it. Anyway, that was my look at the Air Zoom Generation. Y'all go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn your notifications on. Follow us at PeddlersAir504 on Instagram. Let's get into the on feet, and I'ma holler back.